updates and research throughout the year. In short, we cluster the economic research into frequency of observation, so in monthly, quarterly, and annual updates. All these are done using the latest time series technologies and seasonal adjustments, and we typically use the Paasche index to normalize everything. Our monthly index is called the Sentiment Index, and everyone can join. It's tailored towards experts in automation, capital goods markets, and we ask 3 simple questions. The one you see here, how do you expect next month compared to this month? And the simple answer is better, equal, or worse. We created that index in the height of the corona pandemic in order to monitor the very, very swift and rapid uptick. So if you want, join us by simply following this QR code or the link provided. On a quarterly basis, we collect the financial reported numbers from automation companies such as ABB, Emerson, Siemens, or Yokogawa, from machinery companies such as DMG, Trumpf, SIG, Combiblock, or many others, or end users such as BMW, Dow Chemical. Automation companies we cluster by the headquarter of the region, so Americas, Europe, and Asia, and we just recently introduced also an index for China. We have 23 different machine index focused on the revenues of the machine vendors, such as pulp and paper machinery, semiconductor industry, compressors, fans, etc. So overall, 23 indexes. And for the users, we collect not 1, but 4 different indicators. So investments, revenues, EBIT, as well as total assets. And all of these reports, including the complete history, is available to our clients at arcvet.com/clients/reports. These indexes are used to support our annual market studies as well. We do around 120 market studies on automation products, and the indexes really serve a basis for the near-term forecast. And what you see here is the case of pulp and paper. So we have the revenues by end users, the CapEx, so the investments by end users, the machinery revenues, and then in green, the steps is our annual database from automation goods, anything from PLC to motion control motors and the like. And it shows you also how good leading indicators can be, because we have here the revenues typically lead 2 quarters to the investments. And you can also see the big uptick here that we now also expect for our next automation markets. While these are very, very specific research and very tailored to our needs in terms of automation, capital goods, investments, and digitalization, we of course do all the research and secondary data research on GDP, country GDP, investment figures, or inflation. Thank you very much for your time. I wish you a pleasant day.